This is where the understanding is best. Okay. What I'm trying to do here, right? What I'm trying to do here is this. Okay. I will, let me, I will take input from user. Please, I will take input from user on what topic does he or she wants to, you want slides on. Okay. I will use generative AI to create content and create the slide. Okay, I'll create the slides, literally the slides. Okay. Then I'll ask user, what is your feedback? How do you rate the slides? Which I'm not using much in the code. No, which I'm using. How do you rate the slide? And what is your feedback for the slide? Okay. Based on this, if the user tries to create the slide again on same topic or the other, she will get different improved content. Okay. So what we are doing here, we are building an AI agent. Okay. Now I'll use the term, what is AI agent? We are building an AI agent. AI agent is the reason why this particular subject is, raging everywhere is because this is how you build AI products. AI agent is a software application which takes data from environment. In this case, it is taking data from us, right? What do you want to build, right? It has some goal to achieve, right? Its goal is to create a deck on that particular topic. It can learn from our behavior with the application. Okay, which means based on our feedback, it will continue to improve itself. Is the So what is AI agent? AI agent is an application which will take data, which will take input from its environment. In this case, the input can be, now we are putting text, it can be voice, it can be image, it can be audio, it can be sensor, right? It can be anything, right? It is taking input from all these places. It is doing some processing, trying to achieve a goal. It again tries to give you the output, captures the input, captures your feedback, improves it further. So what it means is once the application is ready, it continues to take the user's input, everybody's input, improves further. So it becomes a specialized AI agent for creating slide deck. I am open to questions here. Is it clear to everybody what is trying to do here?
So you are saying that it is fine tuning the process, right?
Fine tuning the outcome,
Sorry, the outcome. Yes, yes. Sorry,
right?
to
So
improve the process.
right?
Yes.
So this AI
Sorry.
agent will internally use LLMs, which is your generative AI. Okay, I'll no, refrain from using the time LLM. It is using generative AI internally. Okay, it will use machine learning to do something, but all these are encapsulated inside this one agent. Okay, as we proceed in the course, we will understand how to do work with multiple agent. How does multiple AI agent communicate with each other to solve a bigger problem, right? And then how thousands of AI agent can talk to each other, scale at some level to solve some massive scale problem. Uh, is the concept of AI agent and what you are trying to do clear with everybody?
So I have one question here. Uh, this is Rajiv, and basically, uh, what I want to like just understand is for example, like in your code that you're showing, the client is obviously trying to perform some, a request and response, and it's getting it back. So this seems to be the standard invocation of the AI API, right? So
Hmm.
how does
What is
the
magic here?
agent actually differ here? I mean, what's exactly the difference? Because what I can see is is it like repeated calls to the client API that you are showing, or is it something different when it comes to AI agent? Because, for example, if we consider the case like RAG application and others, we are
Hmm.
doing
Hmm.
something similar. So, just wanted to understand.
Right. So what it is different here, right? This is a very simple AI agent. So what it is doing differently, it is not making a call. Of course, it is making a call, but what it is doing, it is continuously changing the prompt based on user input.